Meaning of fatherland.
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 Fatherland. Fatherland is a term often used to refer to one's native country, particularly in a nationalistic or patriotic sense. It is derived from the German word Vaterland, which has been widely adopted into English usage. The term can evoke strong emotional sentiments and is often used in literature and political speeches. It reflects a deep connection and loyalty to one's homeland and its cultural identity. The concept of fatherland is an important aspect of nationalism and can be both positive and negative, depending on how it is expressed and applied.